Alright, so I have been on a mission for the last couple of weeks trying to find some leather, something that'll work for my sharpening station. And came across something earlier today. Well, my intention was to go check out the belts that I had, see if there was anything for a belt that would work, but everything there is like, I don't know, an inch and a quarter, inch and a half, nothing quite wide enough. I wanted something at least 3 inches, so the belt I've discovered will not work for what I want it to, because I'd like to do like a 4x8 piece or something like that. Something that I've seen on Wrangle Star, as well as Larry Sellers, I think it is. But I discovered something inside of Hobby Lobby here just a few minutes ago. So we'll go in and I'll take a video of that, and I'll show you what I discovered in their leather section.